In this video, we're going to quickly cover the plugins panel. So it is located right here at the bottom left. When you click on it, you have all of your installed plugins right here, and every single plugin is a bit different. So you can expand this if your plugin has multiple options. So if you click on this arranger for XD, for example, you have all of these different options. So you can expand to see more or reduce the space to see a bit less. If you use this photo splash, obviously it's for photo generation from unsplash.com. You want to have this expanded so you can have as many options right here, and you can see as many of them right here so that you can use them more easily. And you have all of these different plugins, so whenever you click on different plugins, I already showed you lorem ipsum and how it looks like. And if you use undraw, for example, you can see how that looks like. So they are really different and there are differences between them, but what's most important is that they are easily accessible right here on this plugins panel. If you want to add a new plugin, I already covered that in the previous videos. You can click right here and it will take you right here. You can use the search bar, you can browse, you can manage all of your existing plugins. And as you can see right now, I have an update. I can click right here to update this plugin. It's going to load, and once it's finished, it's going to show me that the plugin has updated and now it's up to date. You can sort them right here from last updated to name, so you can go right here and it's going to update right here as well. You can click on the discover and you can use this editor's choice, jumpstart your design. So all of these collections are going to change from time to time, essential plugins, featured plugins, and so on and so forth. And you can browse by categories right here below. So that's basically the plugins panel. It's going to improve your workflow dramatically, and I really recommend that you use plugins because they are going to save you tons of time. Just imagine that you're going to create a contact page for your website and you need a map. You have to go to Google, you have to make a screenshot, jump inside of Photoshop, and so on and so forth. Or you can simply use this maps generator and you can create a map right here. But I think first I need to select a layer, so let me quickly create one layer. So let that be this layer, for example, and I can reduce the size right here. I can click on the maps generator now, and you can see you can add a location, you can add a place. So for example, Paris, you can press enter and it's going to generate that map for you. So that's how easy it is to use plugins and the plugins panel inside of Adobe XD. And you can explore a bit more, and because there are so many plugins to choose from, you can simply hit browse. And as you can see, when I start scrolling, there really is this endless list that you can scroll and explore how many you want and use whichever one you want from here. In the next video, we're going to talk about the repeat grid inside of Adobe XD and amazing possibilities it can bring to your work. So I'll see you there.